Hi, my name is Emma, and I'm here to share with you our top LEGO Robotics sets collection. Just click this banner and get real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1, boost your LEGO building experience. With the amazing LEGO Boost Creative Toolbox, build and customize Vernie, your own personal talking robot friend. Code its behavior, and complete fun activities with the included playmat by LEGO. Number 2, build and program walking, talking and thinking robots that do anything you can imagine. LEGO Mindstorms building toys are compatible with all LEGO construction sets for creative building, another great product by LEGO. Number 3. Get your favorite LEGO robots now. Just click this link below. Number 4. Bring your LEGO Technic models to life with the exciting Power Functions motor set. This supplementary power set comes with a medium motor, battery box, switch and a light cable with 2 bright LEDs. Number 5, LEGO Education WeDo 2.0 Core Set 45300. Core set features a programmable smart hub, enhanced motors and sensors. Number 6, the LEGO Boost Idea Book, 95 Simple Robots and Clever Contraptions by LEGO. Number 7, this set contains everything you need to start teaching STEM and computer science, using the exciting LEGO Mindstorms concept. It offers full teacher support, including STEM and computing teaching materials, and a comprehensive e-learning program by LEGO. Number 8, Robo Explorer robot toy features bright green eyes, working tracks, rotating body and head, and posable arms with working claw and searchlight. Number 9. Number 10, buy no starch press,